In this video, I will show how to find the derivative of a function given implicitly. So here's an equation that creates a relation, and on some interval, this relation defines a function of x for y. So to differentiate it implicitly, we literally take the derivative of both sides, and then we follow the rules of differentiation. But we have to treat x as a variable and y as a function that we don't know. So derivative of the sum is the sum of the derivatives, and now we're ready to differentiate. So the first one is the product of two functions, x squared and y. So we're gonna do it as a product rule. So u is x squared, v is y, so derivative of u is 2x, derivative of v is y prime. So putting it back together into u prime v, uv prime will give me the following result. 2x times y plus x squared times y prime. Now we're differentiating this quotient. So this quotient we can treat as u over v, and u is x, v is y, derivative of u is just derivative of x, which is 1, derivative of v will be y prime, and derivative of u divided by v will be u prime v minus uv prime divided by v squared. So we're going to put it together using that formula. So u prime v is 1 times y minus x times v prime, and all that divided by y squared. And the derivative of the right hand side is simply 3x squared. So now we have to collect all the terms that have y prime in it on one side, and everything that doesn't have y prime, we should take it to the other side. So to simplify, let's multiply everything by y squared. So this becomes y squared 2xy plus x squared y prime. This is y minus x y prime is equal to 3x squared y squared. So distribute this, so we have 2y cubed x plus y squared x squared y prime plus y minus x y prime is equal to 3x squared y squared. So everything that doesn't have y prime in it, we will take to the right side. So on the left side we have only the terms that have y prime in it. So the right side is this. And now we factor out y prime here. So we have y squared x squared minus x. All that is equal to 3x squared y squared minus y minus 2y cubed x. And finally, we can now isolate y prime. So we isolate y prime by dividing both sides by this entire term. So 3x squared y squared minus y minus 2y cubed x divided by y squared x squared minus x. So this is how we find the derivative of a function given implicitly. Note that your answer may look different depending on the intermediate steps that you took.